जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 6th chapter आत्म संयम योगमु 34th श्लोक। Arjuna is asking Sri Krishna Paramatma, "Oh Krishna, mind is restless, mind is turbulent, mind is very strong, and it is very hard to control mind. Krishna, all that yogam that you taught me about all the atmas are equal and all the atmas are equal to Paramatma, all this Samadarsanam, equal vision, I understood, but my mind doesn't cooperate to practice this yogam. Krishna, controlling mind is like if there is a heavy wind coming in opposite direction. It is like controlling that wind with a small fan. That is how controlling mind is also very hard. So please tell me a means to have my mind under my control so that I can keep up with this yogam that you taught." Like this, Arjuna asking Sri Krishna Paramatma. Being in the shoes of Arjuna, let us also ask the same question to Sri Krishna Paramatma by using Arjuna's words as it is. Chanchalam hi manah Krishna pramadhi balavat drudham tasyaham nigraham manye vayoriva sudushkaram. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu. Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Uddhava, remembering all divine memories of Sri Krishna Paramatma and sharing with Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, there is a Kaliya pond in which big sarpam, big snake Kaliya living there. Because of Kaliya, Vara Yamuna Nadi Jala Nivasa Mahoraga Vistrutasya Vispurita Vishanala Prabhala Sokuna. Because of that sarpam, serpent Kaliyam, that entire pond became poisonous water, and all the cows, Gopalas, they drank that water. Because of that, Vipannan Vishapanena Nigrukhya Bhujagadhipam, they have gone unconscious because of that poisonous water they drank. Krishna has seen that, and then he jumped into that pond. He punished Kaliya. He sent Kaliya out of that pond and made that entire pond as a drinking water. That is how Krishna, in his childhood, he could punish such a huge serpent, O Vidura. And then once what happened is, Krishna's father Nanda, he was about to do one yajna directing to Indra. But Krishna, what he felt, whatever Nanda earned, the wealth, Krishna wanted to make sure Nanda's wealth is properly used. And for that reason, Krishna made Nanda to do yajna for Govardhana and stopped Nanda from doing yajna to Indra. Krishna did this to Gopaganamul Sampriti Nandan Sechidhavu Garvam Badampanga, to make all the cows and Gopalas happy, also to give a lesson to Swargadhipati Indra. So Krishna got so many Brahmanas, helped Nanda to perform that yajnam successfully, directing to Govardhanagiri. Then Indra gone so mad, he started raining without break. All the people of that Nandavraj, Ati Vikhvalaha, they scattered here and there, and they started getting scared and came back to Krishna, started praying, Krishna, Kavumu, కావుము అనాథనాథ నిర్ధూత కలంక భక్త పరితోషణ భూషణ పాపశోషణ. They prayed Sri Krishna Paramatma to save them from that huge rain. Then Krishna, he lifted Govardhanagiri. Vidura, Krishna lifted Govardhanagiri as and how he used to lift a small toy. Just like without any kind of special effort, he lifted and trataha anugrunnata. He held that Govardhana mountain as an umbrella and saved all the people and cows. Oh Vidura, that is also done in very childhood of Sri Krishna. Like this, Uddhava sharing Sri Krishna Paramatma's miraculous divine activities to Vidura. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Sri Madhurashtakam. Geetam madhuram pītam madhuram bhuktam madhuram suptam madhuram rūpam madhuram tilakam madhuram madhuradhipaterakhilam madhuram madhuradhipaterakhilam madhuram. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 6th chapter 34th sloka. Chanchalam hi manah Krishna pramadhi balavat drudham tasyaham nigraham manye vayoriva sudushkaram. Chanchalam hi manah Krishna pramadhi balavadrudham tasyaham nigraham manye vayoriva sudushkaram. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.